PatrickStarrr. I am a beauty blogger and I love makeup. I love makeup so much, and I teach makeup, I breathe makeup, I eat makeup, I sleep makeup, and I happen to teach it on an amazing platform like YouTube and Instagram. I think it's so crazy that Mac partnered with someone that is so unconventional and also Filipino. Filipinos are so talented. The beauty is just insane, and I'm so happy to be here. My collection is global, and we are here in the Philippines to share it with the fans and family.
Proud Pinoy that we can learn a lot from, making it big in the world. Today is his big homecoming day. Let's give a warm Filipino mabuhay. Welcome home, PatrickStarrr.
Wow, kamusta? It was definitely my special request to come to the Philippines first. I love my culture so much, and I love all Filipino food. I love Filipino dances. I love Filipino men. So I brought my parents here with me to the Philippines, and it's so special because I haven't been in the Philippines in nearly 18 years.
Hello world. I am so excited to come here to the Philippines. It took me a month to pack my clothes, and Patrick, I'm so happy that you brought us here and share with the world your gift with makeup. And to have a lipstick in my name is such a great honor that the world could see.
I think with the YouTube fame and fortune and success, it's all on the web, and I'll never get used to it because it's always a new experience because everyone has a different story and a different past. And when I meet a new follower, it's really, really special.
I lost my voice, probably shouting and screaming for you.
You inspire me every day.
Thank you so much for pioneering the movement for boys in makeup.
I've always been admiring your makeup.
Sister!
This is not the end of PatrickStarrr. There is more to come. I'm here to promote self-love, equality in the LGBTQ community. Makeup is a one-size-fits-all, and everyone deserves that right to feel and look happy.
Being your pop star, I'm very proud of you, of what you've done and what you've accomplished, and stay as humble as you are. Love you.
Patrick, I am so proud to be the mama star that you named me for. Mahal na mahal kita.
It's so important that my family is here because it shows other parents that they can support their children no matter what. Through makeup, through perseverance, through my sexual orientation, and through my career being PatrickStarrr. I'm still Patrick Simondak, but to them, I'm their little Patrick.
The best Filipino trait that I can describe Patrick is he has a good heart and courageous to share what he can do.
That's why it's so special for me to take them here to the Philippines to celebrate what they've created, which is this fat-ass, beautiful bitch. Mac has partnered with me to create change, and it's really special because it's all for makeup. I have lipsticks, eyeshadows, lip glosses, lip pencils, a setting powder, but I think it's more than that. It's beyond the cosmetics. It's the message and the meaning that equality exists, and we can celebrate beauty in all different shapes and sizes. You know what I mean? For anyone watching, don't give up. I am here for you. I support you. I love you. You'll be really great one day.